My name is Jason Clavin. I'm from South Central Illinois. My dad and I farm together. We grow non-GMO corn and beans. So we had some pretty bad escapes last year in our soybeans, and honestly, between our neighbors and everyone I've talked to, the resistant weeds are getting to be quite a bit of an issue. But with our non-GMO beans, a rescue treatment of Roundup is not even possible to kill the beans with the Roundup. Started looking for some options or some alternatives on how to take care of them, how to kill those weeds. Showed Dad what I was talking about. He was very leery. He remembers using a rope wick in the past, and although I wasn't 100% sure at the time, I did everything to convince him that it's not a rope wick, Dad. And reluctantly, he went along with me, and after using them, it's definitely not a rope wick. They're far superior to the old ways where we used to go in and try to get chemical to run down tube and into the rope, and he didn't get a lot of surface area to wipe the weeds with. With the sponges, it's a lot more surface area to wipe the weed. The concentration on the actual sponge is a lot higher. So you actually get more chemical on the weeds than we ever got with rope wick. Once we actually got them here and used them, even a doubter like my dad was very impressed. If you can do it works. I was a little leery at first, especially with the paraquat. I kind of thought we were just going to burn the top of the weed and that'd be it. But I was pleasantly surprised when the weeds that we did wipe, it took a little bit of time, but they were dead to the ground. Broadcast spraying something like Cobra compared to us wiping the weeds with paraquat and water was about 6 to 7 times cheaper to use the sponges and the paraquat over the broadcast spray. We only used them on soybean fields at first, but then we quickly realized that there are other uses. Pasture. We did do some pasture with it, trying to get rid of some noxious weeds that we had in our pastures. Like I said, overall, very, very pleased with the product, with the experience we had with it, and especially the experience with Smucker manufacturing.